What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, American Abroad here, and today we are talking about something very simple, but a lot of people wonder about it and ask about it, is how do you put these big things, these big bikes on the center stand? I know it was something that I really struggled with when I first got the bike, so I just want to make a quick video breaking down a couple of tips that will help you get your big beast on its center stand. So here we go. All right guys, it took me a little bit to get the hang of it when I first got this bike. It's a heavy bike. And actually, I went on a trip. The first time I rented these bikes, my buddy was putting it on the center stand for me because I could not figure it out. And he's smaller than me. So I was like, man, why can't I figure this out? So let's walk through it real quick. Here we go. All right, so of course you've got a adventure motorcycle or any kind of other kind of bike that's got a center stand on it like this. You always want to have the kickstand down. I always leave mine down even when it's on the center stand, because then when it comes down, it's got something to rest on at the end. So the key here is to actually make sure that you're not trying to go backwards. You think, okay, I need to lift the bike backwards. It's not like that. What you want to do is kind of come up and back just a little bit. I'll give you an example. So very simple. I'm going to show you guys what I did again. You want to make sure that your bike is actually on as flat of a surface as you possibly can. I've made this mistake before where I tried to put it on a center stand and the ground was just a little bit slanted and the bike went up and over, and that's not cool. That's how I got the scratches on the other side on the crash guards on this bike. So don't do that. Make sure you get perfect. I'm going to show you what I try and do down here. Another good trick, this is as you're getting it down, but you just kind of rock it forward. You can even, do one of these numbers. If you get on some ground that is actually not so, it's very slippery, like your shopping mall or something, those garages are very slippery, and sometimes you're trying to get it off and it doesn't want to go. It just keeps sliding with you. You can just put your foot underneath there. I know that seems a little dangerous, just enough to get it going. If you keep your bike in first gear, then as you come down, your bike's just gonna stop and plant. So you don't have to worry about it rolling. If you put it in neutral, it could roll, flip up the kickstand, and then just go, or fall or whatever. So keep the kickstand down when you're taking it off, and also I like to keep it in first gear because then when it comes down, it just plants. It doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so as you're putting the kickstand down, the center stand down, I lean it forward, and then I see where the two catch, where both sides of this, where I can feel it just become even. And then once I feel that, I've got the handlebars, and then I'm also hanging on right here, okay? The passenger grabs, and I'm hanging on to the front handlebar. I'm just giving you the lower view now. And then you just stand up, put all your weight on it, okay? And then you just kind of pull up with the back, and you're good to go. Give you a different angle here. Taking it down, planting this in that first gear. I can feel both of them locked in. Bike stable. Stand up, pull up, and just use your weight and it comes right back to you. Very simple, very easy. Hope this helps you guys out there that are trying to put your heavy bike on a center stand. Other than that, ride safe. We'll catch you guys next time. American Abroad out.